completely flat. We're going to walk up to the middle and it goes down. Can't really tell quite here, but you can definitely tell when you're walking. So next we are going to walk across the Golden Gate Bridge. Come on with me. It's a beautiful day to walk. Might be a bit breezy in the middle. Traffic is flowing. And we are walking from the Marin side into San Francisco. There's a great shot there of all 3 lanes either side. Now these are completely new. Big railings, never been here before. And I guess that's to stop you jumping off there as a suicide barrier. Right, we are approaching the North Tower here on the Marin side. Definitely going to need to hang on to my Aussie hat a bit. There's a fair breeze today. And let's have a look up the 746-foot towers. So from where I'm standing, we're 220 feet already up on the road deck, so they're 546 feet. You can see the new suicide barriers are all complete along the side of the bridge. Now, I don't know if you knew, but the Golden Gate Bridge is not completely flat. We're going to walk up to the middle and it goes down. Can't really tell quite here, but you can definitely tell when you're walking. It is incredibly noisy, but it's a fabulous walk to be walking across this most beautiful bridge, and very famous bridge. In a lot of songs, I left my heart in San Francisco. A very famous song, Your Golden Gate Will Shine For Me. I think it is today. Again, we're using the Osmo Pocket 3 with active track on, so it should keep me perfectly in the picture as we walk across the Golden Gate Bridge. Holding on to my hat. And I hope you guys watching at home are enjoying this as much as I am today. On the left hand side, I don't know if you can see, but we've got Alcatraz, Treasure Island, Oakland Bay Bridge, and of course the city of San Francisco. Really do look forward every year to coming back to San Francisco and walking across this very, very famous bridge. And let me know in the comments, have you walked across the beautiful Golden Gate? Two doggies walking across. Technically they're not allowed, but who's going to stop them? I'd like to bring Nick across here. I'm sure he'd love it. Right then, we are approaching the middle of the bridge. And we'll have a look over the side in a minute so you can see the cables right above me there. It's amazing how they hold up all this traffic that's heading across today. Okay, here we go. Let's hope we don't have an earthquake. We are right in the middle of the Golden Gate Bridge. And right above me is the cables holding the bridge. And right below me is San Francisco, and as you can see, the suicide barriers are there. Pretty awesome, eh? We'll continue walking, and we're now heading towards the South Tower, which is right there. Loving the walk today. So actually a nice temperature, it's breezy. It's a lovely 17 Celsius. Nice and cool. And I think the colours on the video today are going to be looking pretty good. The colours of the Golden Gate, obviously the colour of my shirt, should be looking quite good. And the audio quality should be top class for you. And I hope you guys are enjoying day 8. We're getting plenty of vitamin D, sunshine, and we are seeing the sights of San Francisco and sharing them all with you guys. And as they say in America, awesome. Or as we do in the UK, wonderful. Now approaching the South Tower. Good view of the North Tower right behind me there, where we've come from. And here we go, South Tower. Golden Gate Bridge, construction begun 1933, completed 1937. 4 years to complete the bridge. Imagine how long it would take them now. 12, 15 years. And there we go, walk across the Golden Gate Bridge, complete. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Beautiful, sunny weather, everyone feels happy. Loving the flowers, look at that. And even better, that one is just stunning. Beautiful flower bed. And look there, 2024. 1937 to 2024. Right, now going to have a look in the Welcome Centre and the gift shop. Toilet break, and then we'll give Glynn a call to get picked back up there by the van. Okay, let's have a look at the visitor shop and see what we've got. Always like looking in here. Little doggy there in the pram. He's enjoying the day in San Francisco today. Lots of magnets. Now, I've actually got one of these last year. Alcatraz mug.